Hello, today we'll discuss title, Top 5 Apps for Online Earning in the Digital Age. Many people are seeking ways to earn money online, and mobile apps have become a popular avenue for achieving this goal. While the landscape of online earning apps is constantly evolving, here are 5 popular options as of September 2023. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers users the opportunity to earn points, or Swagbucks, by participating in activities like surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. These points can be exchanged for gift cards or cash via PayPal. 2. Airbnb. With Airbnb, you can monetize your spare room or property by renting it out to travelers. This platform has gained immense popularity due to its ease of use and global reach. 3. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit allows users to earn money by completing various tasks for people in their local area. This can include anything from handyman work to shopping and delivery tasks. 4. Uber or Lyft. Ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft provide an opportunity for individuals to earn money by becoming drivers. This flexible gig allows you to work on your own schedule and leverage your vehicle. 5. Foap. Foap is a platform that allows users to sell their smartphone photos to brands and agencies. If you have a knack for photography, this app can help you turn your skills into a profitable venture. While these apps were popular at the time of writing, it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the online earning landscape as new opportunities may arise. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Digital Jatendor.